Car diagnostic tools for orders, please check a description. This is the video MaxiCOM MK808BT Pro. This is the product video you must watch. This is the price and 36% off, huge discount, 47 sold out, 15 reviews. This is the rating. Okay, Car Diagnostic Tools OBD2 Automotive Scanner, 38 plus services, Bi-Directional Scan Tool, PK MK808S. Okay, this is the language: English, Spanish, France, Italian, Russian, German, Turkish, Thai, Japanese, Portuguese, Dutch, Polish, Greek, Arabic, and Korean. Wow, manual. You check this our video description for your orders. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. This is the pictures MK808BT versus MK808 or MX808 Bluetooth diagnostics. This is the service, all season 38 plus advanced hot services, bi-directional control. Thank you so much for watching this video.